Right here is the Guardian air conditioner that just turned on. Make it over here in time though. Coil guard's coming off here. Data sheet. Model number is GCGD4S21S1A. Serial number is WOL7346505. I guess that means it's installed in 2005. I guess I was only 2 years old when I got this thing replaced then. It's pretty quiet if you actually stand right here. Again, it's got a Bristol compressor. Suction line is cold and it's not cold yet. It gets pretty cold though. This is getting cold and sweaty right here, for sure. That's really good. So. There's a rabbit right there. Again, it has a Bristol compressor. Here's the York right here, which you might get to start up a bit in this video. There's the disconnect boxes. There's the neighbor's unit. Data sheet is going, but I mean, we can still make out the, yeah. Alright. Serial number is WMKM01284, and there it goes, just 2. And the model number is H2RA020S060. Oh gosh, this thing is getting hot. That is not, well, this thing is getting colder and sweaty though. York. There's that rabbit again. Got an A.O. Smith fan motor here. Again, this thing is original to the house. These are both straight cool units. Theirs is a heat pump. Take a quick look at theirs. Disconnect box. Model number is H3R A0660S06A. Serial number is WKKMO64306. We're not going to be able to get this thing open, I don't think. This thing shakes the ground. I don't know if you guys could tell or not, but... Oh, there goes that rabbit. Look, 2 of them. What the heck? That is strange. Bird poop. Obviously, it's running in cool mode because it's not a heat pump. Maybe this thing will shut off. Maybe this thing will decide to shut off. Just a minute, so you can see the compressor. Maybe you guys can see it through here. No. A while back I had the case off of my iPod Touch, and I actually stuck it down inside the air conditioner and got you guys a view. That video is still up. It's the, I think it's called... I think it's the 100 video. Yeah, it's the 100 video Epic Surprises, I think is what it's called. So check that video out if you guys have a chance. Because, yeah. I'm going to have to end this video pretty soon, I think. Gosh, it's hot out here. I think it's like in the 90s out here right now or something. I don't know. You know, I don't think this thing is going to shut off anytime soon, so we'll go ahead and take a look at the thermostat real quick. This right here's the thermostat. Gosh, this thing's quiet, the filter. We just changed it a while ago. That's probably why. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not. Go back out here. And this thing decided to shut off while we were in there. Why did it have to do that? Come on. Alright, well, at least I got a shutdown of this thing earlier this week, so. There's the compressor. This thing actually sounds really epic when it shuts off. I'm not kidding. It's like, I don't know. That's it.